I welcome you to learning material Getting Ready for Job Interview. Let's see the indicative responses to a few questions. For other videos, go to youtube.com and search for Maganlal Patel. Please tell me something about yourself. My name is Hemant Kulkarni. My father is working in a small-scale factory as executive and my mother is homemaker. I have one sister who is in second year of BCom. I completed my schooling in Jalna, securing 65%. I joined junior college at Aurangabad and scored 75%. The candidate here has confidently given the facts. Sir, as my score was not up to the mark in HSC, I took admission in this private college. I completed 3 years with an average score of 61%. I am in 4th year now. The candidate demonstrated self-awareness and self-acceptance. I am targeting to secure 65% in final year. I have made a detailed study plan after going through the question papers of last 5 years. I am working hard and meticulously follow my study plans. The candidate has demonstrated vision, planning, and his action orientation. Sir, I did in-plant training in Deepak Engineering for 1 month. They assemble wiring harness. I studied their assembly line. My assignment was to calculate ideal number of assemblers. I established a mathematical model to decide assemblers for various levels of production. It resulted in reduction of manpower from 25 to 23. It was not a technical project, but I learnt a lot about managing people and productivity. The candidate again demonstrated learning and action orientation. I used to support college activities. Sir, I am a bit shy and I hesitate to take responsibilities of leading. I know I lack in leadership qualities, but I am picking up by involving and taking responsibilities. Last month, I took charge and organized a trip to Excel Engineering for my classmates. The candidate again showed self-awareness and self-acceptance, and he also showed his preparedness for improvement. I would like to work in an organization where I am required to work to my best and learn to improve my potential. The candidate again demonstrated his preparedness for working and learning. For other videos, go to youtube.com and search for Maganlal Patel.